Meantime, San Diego City Hall closed as a precaution today and multiple buildings were evacuated. While there are no reports of major structural damage, the quake definitely rattled nerves, especially for people working up high. CBS 8's Abby Black has more from downtown with the terrifying moments for a high-rise construction crew.
San Diego City Hall sits empty as officials go around and inspect the building for any structural damage. They say this is only precautionary, but they do want to ensure that it is safe, and they've not reported any damages as of yet.
We were putting the header and it was like, and then I'll go, do you feel that? You feel like, yeah, I'm about to fall off.
The earthquake's impact extends beyond government buildings. Construction workers at downtown high-rises were forced to evacuate mid-job.
The tower crane will be out of service until it's re-inspected.
We found dozens of construction workers who had to evacuate from a 9th-floor high-rise. They were gathered at a parking lot in Cortez Hill.
Stuck on the stairwell on the 9th floor.
Terrence Shaw was working near the top when the building began to sway.
I didn't know if I should jump or hang off the thing or stay where I was at.
He and the entire crew immediately evacuated to safety.
I walked from the 9th floor all the way to the 3rd, and I had another guy from the basement all the way to the 3rd. So there's no cracks, no fissures.
The superintendent says that he cleared the site after a thorough inspection. He made it clear anyone uncomfortable returning could sit out the rest of the day. These emergency drills are something they prepare for.
If you're not comfortable with aftershocks, then stay out.
Just blocks away at the Central Courthouse, the quake disrupted operations. One potential juror felt her heart nearly jump from her chest.
The floor started bouncing. I was like, oh my gosh, we're having an earthquake.
A couple filling out paperwork felt the 4th floor shake before sheriff's deputies cleared the room.
We were just filing some paperwork, and up on the 4th floor, we started moving and shaking. And I was like, whoa, there's my cardio for the day.
Yeah, exactly.
Despite the scare, the court clerk confirmed that no damage was found. Operations resumed within the hour, and City Hall remains closed until a full inspection is complete. Across downtown, we're seeing more disruption than damage, and fortunately, no injuries.
Kind of just be grateful that we're safe, and thank God that nothing crazier happened.
In downtown, Abby Black, CBS 8.